Hello kids! Today, we are going to learn how to use a and an in English. Are you excited? Let's get started. First, let's learn when to use a. We use a before words that start with a consonant sound. Let's look at some examples. Example 1. What is this? This is a doll. So we say a doll. Great job. Example 2. This is a book. The word book starts with the consonant sound B. So we say a book. Say it with me. A book. Fantastic. Example 3. What do we have here? A dog. We say a dog. Repeat after me. A dog. Well done. More examples. A chair. A nib. A lamp. Now let's make some sentences with a. Are you ready? What is this? This is a pen. So we say, this is a pen. Repeat after me. This is a pen. Excellent. This is a car. Let's say it together. This is a car. Perfect. Look at this. Mangoes are in a basket. So we say, mangoes are in a basket. Can you say it too? Mangoes are in a basket. Awesome. When do we use an? We use an before words that start with a vowel sound. Remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Let's look at some examples. Look here. This is an owl. The word owl starts with the vowel sound O, so we say an owl. This is an ant. The word ant starts with the vowel sound A, so we say an ant. What is this? An egg. The word egg starts with the vowel sound E, so we say an egg. An elephant. An ink pot. An umbrella. Now let's make some sentences using an. Are you ready? Sentence 1. I am eating an omelette. Great job. Sentence 2. A fish is in an aquarium. Perfect. Sentence 3. A toy is on an almirah. Amazing work. That's all for today, kids. Keep practicing, and next time we'll have more fun lessons. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.